All right, this next project that I'm making is just a real simple outside planter box. I've got this insert that I want to just build a box around. It's either gonna have a slight taper to follow the contour of this box or just be straight up and down sides. Just something to give that a little bit more character because I don't think that by itself looks that great. The wood I'm using is 1x4 cedar. It is actually 7/8 thick, so it being cedar, being 7/8 thick, I think it'll fare pretty well outside. The only other thing that I'm gonna do to it is seal it with the linseed oil. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use something other, like on top of the linseed oil, but I'm just gonna use this to see how well that does. As for the corners themselves, I'm gonna be using finishing nails and Tite Bond 3 because it does say waterproof and exterior on it. So I think that'll fare pretty well. I'm not sure as far as if I'm gonna edge glue these boards together or if I'm just gonna make two individual boxes and then attach them like together with this scrap aluminum that I have. So I'll see what I decide on that. All right, here it is all done. I really liked how it turned out. A couple things with the design that I changed. These little brackets in here, they're not that spare piece of aluminum that I had. They're actually just some smaller brackets that I thought would be more fitting for this. On the inside here, I did add 2 bottom supports to support that insert, just so it's not hanging on the lip. The only thing that I didn't like about this was this piece was a little bit wider, and so it's not flush right there, but that's on the bottom, so it doesn't bother me that much. I didn't choose to fix it because it won't be seen.